What does success mean to you? Success is a multifaceted concept, as elusive as it is alluring. For some, it's an overflowing bank account brimming with the fruits of profitable stocks, cryptocurrency, or other financial ventures. For others, it's the acquisition of tangible symbols of achievement, such as luxury cars or a lifestyle dripping with opulence. Yet it's crucial to understand that success isn't a one-size-fits-all notion. It's a highly personal journey, a path that is as unique as the individual who embarks upon it. It's a journey that can lead to a sprawling mansion or a humble cottage, a fortune in gold or a wealth of knowledge. Success can be as grandiose as a global business empire or as understated as a quiet life filled with love and laughter. It's not about the destination, but the journey, the steps we take, the choices we make, and the lives we touch along the way. In the end, success is what you define it to be. Every successful person begins with a single step. The journey towards success is a marathon, not a sprint. Each and every individual who has tasted the sweetness of triumph has started from the same place as you and I, the very beginning. They had nothing more than a dream, a vision, a flicker of an idea that sparked their journey. Consider the story of any successful entrepreneur, artist, or innovator. They all started small, sometimes with just an idea and a sprinkle of determination. They didn't have all the answers, they didn't have a clear path laid out before them. But what they did have was a vision of what they wanted to achieve, of the destination they sought. This vision is what fueled their journey. It gave them direction, it gave them purpose. It was their North Star guiding them through the darkest nights, their compass when they felt lost. It was their beacon of hope during times of despair and their source of motivation when they felt like giving up. But having a vision is only the beginning. To transform this vision into reality, they set goals, both big and small. These goals were stepping stones towards their success. Each goal achieved was a victory celebrated, a milestone crossed, a testament to their perseverance and dedication. They understood that success is not a destination but a journey filled with obstacles to overcome, challenges to conquer, and lessons to learn. They understood that the road to success is not a straight one, but rather a winding path filled with twists and turns. But they also knew that every step taken, every challenge conquered, every failure turned into a lesson was bringing them one step closer to their dream. And so they kept walking. They kept pushing forward. They kept chasing their dream one step at a time. They kept building their road to success, brick by brick, with courage, determination, and unwavering faith in their vision. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today towards your dream, towards your success. Because every step you take is a step towards building your own road to success. Success isn't a one-time thing, it's a habit. Indeed, the most successful among us aren't made in a day. They are the product of meticulously cultivated routines, habits of dedication and discipline that shape their lives one day at a time. Let's delve into the day-to-day lives of these high achievers. One common thread you'll find is their masterful management of time. They don't let the day control them, they control their day. From the moment they wake up, often before the sun has even had a chance to peek over the horizon, successful individuals are deliberate in how they spend their hours. They understand that time is their most valuable asset, and they refuse to squander it. Then there's the commitment to continuous learning. They are voracious readers, always seeking to expand their knowledge and perspectives. They stay updated, not just in their field of expertise, but about the world at large. They recognize the importance of being lifelong learners, understanding that the more they know, the more they realize they don't know. This humility and curiosity serve as the bedrock of their success. And finally, there's the unwavering dedication to health and wellness. Successful people understand that their body is their vessel, and they treat it with respect. They prioritize exercise not just as a means to stay fit, but as a way to clear their minds and recharge their spirits. They nourish their bodies with balanced meals, understanding the profound impact nutrition has on their energy levels and cognitive function. These daily routines might seem simple, but they are the backbone of success. They provide the structure and discipline needed to accomplish great feats. They foster a mindset of growth and resilience, which is indispensable in the face of challenges. So the next time you find yourself dreaming of success, remember this: success is not an event, it's a process. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And that journey is shaped by the habits you cultivate, the routines you adhere to, and the choices you make every single day. Success is a habit cultivated every day. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. Let's take a moment to really grasp that. Success is not a straight line, it's a winding path laden with pitfalls and stumbling blocks. It's the journey of 1,000 miles, often taken one step at a time. Think of Thomas Edison, the man who illuminated the world. He faced 1,000 failures before inventing the light bulb. Or consider J.K. Rowling, who was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter enchanted the world. Such stories are not uncommon, in fact they're the rule rather than the exception. Each failure, each setback, each challenge is a lesson, a stepping stone on the road to success. It's persistence, the refusal to give up, that turns these failures into opportunities. Resilience, the ability to bounce back, is the mortar that holds these stepping stones together. And so, we must never shy away from failure. Instead, we should embrace it, learn from it, and use it to fuel our journey. Remember, the only real failure is the failure to try. To sum up, success is a personal journey paved with persistence and daily habits. Throughout this exploration, we've uncovered that success isn't about the flashy cars or the luxurious lifestyles, but about setting personal goals and relentlessly pursuing them. It's about cultivating habits that propel us towards our dreams, day in and day out, habits like waking up early, remaining curious, and fostering a mindset of continuous learning. And let's not forget about the power of persistence. It's about understanding that every failure, every setback, is just a stepping stone on this journey. It's about embracing these moments, not as the end of the road, but as valuable lessons that shape our path forward. So, go out there and make your own success. Remember, it's not about the destination, but the journey that leads you there. Because in the end, the true measure of success is the person you become along the way.